I think it may come in handy to talk a bit about means of transportation when in Italy. Allora, other than Vespa, Italians use la macchina, car. La macchina also means machine or engine. Instead of la macchina, you can say l'auto or l'automobile. Both of these are feminine gender. Then l'autobus, it's bus, and the plural is gli autobus, buses. Il treno is train, il tram is streetcar, and the plural is I tram, trams, streetcars. La metropolitana is underground or subway. Il taxi or il tassi is taxi. The plural is I taxi or I tassi. The noun doesn't change, okay? Just the article. L'aereo is airplane. La bicicletta is bicycle, bike. La bicicletta. La moto or la motocicletta is motorcycle, motorbike. Il camion is truck. The plural is I camion. Il furgone is van. La nave is ship. For all of these nouns, you will use andare in or andare con plus article to say to go by. For example, I go to work by bus every day. Io vado al lavoro in autobus or con l'autobus ogni giorno. I often go by train. Io spesso vado in treno or vado con il treno. The next thing, to get in the car, bus, train, or whatever, we use the verb salire, which also means to climb. For example, salire in macchina, to get in the car. Salire sull'autobus, to get in or to board the bus. Salire sul treno, to get on the train. The conjugation of the verb salire is somewhat different from the regular verbs. Io salgo, tu sali, lui, lei sale, noi saliamo, voi salite, loro salgono. You notice that in the first person singular and the third person plural, there is a G inserted before the regular ending. How about to get out or to get off? We use the verb scendere, scendere, which also means to come down or to descend. Scendere dalla macchina, to get out of the car. Scendere dal treno, to get off the train. Its conjugation is regular. Io scendo, tu scendi, lui, lei scende, noi scendiamo, voi scendete, loro scendono.